okay? My dear son, Chuck, and his wife, my daughter-in-law, who's been so good to me. You, Brian, and Lauren are so precious to me. I hope, pray, that I'll live long enough to see you getting married. Just take care of yourselves. Your father's just showed me the city I was born in Russia. It's the name of us Roshish, and it is the most beautiful thing I have ever seen. But it hurts that you can't remember everything at my age. And I just lost my older sister I had left. She passed away last week. Please, Brian and Lauren, take care of yourselves. Love each other. Keep in touch with your parents. I wish I could talk more. I'll try again some other time. That little tiny city in Russia was a beautiful little town, but I was too young, and I was lost in that little town until I came here. Bless you, my children. I'll talk to you some other time.